Every holiday season, local nonprofit Hearts for Homes goes a step further in helping low-income senior homeowners in Denton County through their Christmas Basket Project.
With such a meager income, it's real difficult for the seniors to make it. And so we started doing Christmas baskets on a very small scale initially. The first time we did it, we had 8 volunteers delivering to 5 seniors. Today, we've got about 125 volunteers going out to deliver to 84 seniors.
They received 2 large baskets, one filled with food and another stacked with everyday necessities.
We've had seniors actually tell us that they can live 2 to 3 months off the food that's in the baskets. So that helps them stretch that little meager income just a little bit farther.
Now that the baskets have been packed, volunteers head out to deliver them, turning each delivery into a personal visit.
We have one family who has 4 generations volunteering with us, and they have since day one.
We're just pulled into the park. We'll be there in just a minute.
Wonderful, thank you.
It's wonderful. It really is. It just blesses me every time we do this to have the kids and then their kids and the babies now, the great-grandbabies now.
But the impact goes beyond the baskets.
We may be the only visitors they have this Christmas season. And so for our volunteers to go out and bring that Christmas joy to them, plus a material blessing of having food, that's huge.
I think that is fun for him to see the whole family coming to help him.
Man, thank you so much, everybody. Yeah, no problem. Golly, look at all that.
He was kind of surprised at how much it was and what all he was getting, and I loved doing it for them to see that.
Ooh, I like your hat.
People, when they get at a certain age, certainly appreciate everything even more. It's just incredible what they are able to do, and it seems like they never tire. I just love it when they come by.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, so good to see you.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.